Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can mute and unmute Instagram story of anybody you like, alright? So follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel for future videos just like this. Let's move on to the video. So what you want to do is, so let's say I want to mute the story of Richie Kevin, alright? Over here, I click on his name and it's gonna take me to his page or like his Instagram, profile. And over here, you can see following with a little arrow pointing down. You need to click on it and it's gonna give you all this option. From over here, you need to click on mute. Once you click on mute, you can see post and story. Now, if you want to mute both his post and story, you need to turn both of this on, which means I won't be able to see any of his post and story because I won't get any notification. But if I go to his, profile personally, I can see it, but it's not going to be, coming on my home screen or in my recommendation feed. All right. That's what this does. Now to unmute it, you can do the same thing. Just click on following, click on, mute and just turn off this setting and they will be unmuted. All right. So yeah, that's how you guys can mute and unmute somebody's Instagram story. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. And you can also do this for like the person you're not following. So over here, Street Pana, I don't follow him. I can click on it, click on the follow button. Now I can see the arrow. I can click on the arrow, go and mute just like this. All right. You just need to be following that person. So yeah, I'm just going to unfollow him because I don't know him. So yeah, that's how you guys can do it. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One step. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.